Hello guys, do you know you can make a lot of money from Facebook without creating your own videos?
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It's a very easy process and I'm going to show you how that works in this video. All you just need to do is upload other people's video and just make a little changes, which I'm going to show you exactly how to do it so that you can get monetized. There are 4 major steps in doing this, so make sure you watch this video to the end so that you can get all the informations on how to do this perfectly. So first you'll be going to your Play Store and you'll be downloading the X Recorder, which is a screen recorder that you can use on your mobile phone, alright, to screen record, which is what we're going to be using for this tutorial. After that, you can also go ahead to download the CapCut application. It's a mobile video editing application. I'm going to show you how it works and how you can use it. After that, the next thing you need to do is you come to your Chrome browser and here you search for Save from Net. This website, you can use it to download any video from Facebook or YouTube, just using the Facebook or YouTube links. I'm not really going to talk much about this because of YouTube policy, but once you come to this website, you can easily download any video that you want to make a video on. Alright, and then you can easily come here to search for how to download videos from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Once you have your videos ready, then you can go ahead to follow the steps which I'm going to show you. But basically the idea here is get the video ready. After that, you can go ahead to make your recording, but before that you have to open up the X Recorder first and make a few settings. So here on your settings, you go to your audio settings right here, and once you click on your audio settings, you're going to see these options right here. So what you're going to make sure is that you have to make sure that internal audio is selected. Alright, make sure you don't select the internal and microphone, because if you select it and there is an external interference or noise, it will affect your video. And then for the app sound, make sure that it's 100% or 200%. So I'm going to be setting it at 200. Alright, so once that is done, then you can go back to your settings again and you scroll up right here and you're going to see where you have your tools option right here, your tools option. So you're going to come there and select camera. Once you select your camera, then you can see that it's going to pop up a camera on your screen like this. Once you have started your screen recorder, then you can go ahead to record. Here I'm going to select the video I want to try to make a screen recording of, so the video is going to be playing on the background.
The amazing thing is that prior to the shot, if I had not moved my head at that very last...
Once you're done recording, you move over to your CapCut application and you click on a new project. Here you're going to select the video that you have already recorded. That's the one you screen recorded, right? So once you have selected that, you are going to come here to the video. Remember that you started recording even before you started playing the video, so you have to move to make sure that you are starting from the point where the video starts. So you will have to watch at the point where the video started. You are going to cut, so I'm going to show you how you cut that. You click on the part where the video started, then you can go ahead to delete this other part. Right, if there is anything on the screen that you don't want, you can go ahead to crop it out. Here you can also select the aspect ratio that you want. Alright, so here I'm going to be selecting the 4:3, depending on you. Basically Facebook, you can literally upload anything literally, but then I'm going to be selecting this and then I will scale it in so that any other part that's not supposed to be in the video can also get out of the screen too. So here I can select a background. You can literally leave it the way it is, or if you want to put a background, either a blurry background or a colored background, you can always put that. Alright, so after that you can then go ahead to add your text. Alright, so it's very easy. Just come to your text option, type whatever you want to type right there. So this is literally what I'm going to type. Once you type that, then you can change the font and put a color to it, just like the way you can see me do right now. You see that? So you can come here to change the fonts and you can also change the color. So once that is done, then you're good to go. Basically, if you upload your videos like this, you're not going to get any copyright claim on your video, and you can always monetize your video, because of course you can see that YouTube will see that yes, you are literally reacting to this video and not just that you copied it and just pasted it like that. Because if you copy and paste like that, YouTube will flag you for copyright, so and you will not be monetized. So make sure that you follow this step very well. So thank you for watching, and you have a wonderful day.